Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Camarillo, local, and long-distance movers near me. Finding the right, reliable, and cheap Camarillo moving business should be pretty easy. 3 Movers make sure your local and long-distance move goes smoothly. Our team works fast, and we provide all types of customers with the moving services they need. Whether you're moving 100 miles to the next state over or 2,500 miles across the country, we are ready to help you. Our long distance movers are some of the best in the industry. We offer all the necessary services along with all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing material, always on time, and transparent pricing. Choosing to use a California moving company for your local move may be hard to rationalize. The cost has to be worth the benefits, and it usually is. You will save plenty of time and you will have a convenient moving day. Our team will also make sure you don't have to do any heavy lifting. 3 Movers keeps you from needing to recruit friends to help with the big items you need to move. We streamline your move, and even a local move can be done much faster. It might take you all weekend to move. We can get it done in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Camarillo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.